Okay, in the previous video, we calculated up to FSC is equal to 435 Newton per mm square. Then use FSC is equal to 435 Newton per mm square in equation number 1. So this is equation number 1 we have written. In that, if you solve this by using calculator, you will get a value 666.61 mm square. So here everything is known except ASC. So ASC can be calculated by this. And then if we here we have to calculate area of steel. Another way we have to calculate number of bars by adopting any diameter. Here I have adopted 22 mm diameter. So number of bars is equal to total area divided by area of each steel. So if you want to calculate area of each steel, so this is the formula. This is known pi d square by 4, d is equal to 22. Substitute this. If you calculate 1.75 is the answer. So round off to 2, that is a higher number. So therefore 2 numbers of dia 22 mm is provided as compression reinforcement. Next, calculate AST2. So this is the corresponding reinforcement given at tension phase due to compression reinforcement. So we are balancing here. So this equation we are going to use 0.87 Fi AST2 is equal to ASC into FSC. So this is the force developed at compression phase and this is the force developed at tension phase. So if we want to derive AST2 is equal to ASC FSC divided by 0.87 into Fy. So this formula is available in your code book IS 456 2000 page number 96. If you refer, you can get this formula directly. So calculate AST2, you will get 666.61 mm square. Here you can observe ASC and AST2 both are same. Why? Because the stress induced in the steel is limited to 435 Newton per mm square. Nothing but it should not be greater than 0.875. The right hand side and left hand side both get cancels and the remaining is same. So therefore AST2 and ASC is same. In the next step, so this is a continuation again. So here compression reinforcement has been calculated. To calculate AST1, nothing but tensile reinforcement alone. So here I have written alone means this is not the total reinforcement provided at tension phase. So this is a reinforcement provided at tension phase, that only for tensile force. So here I will calculate for XU limit. If you substitute XU limit, so this is the same formula what we have in page number 96 annexation number G. XU limit, instead of XU limit there they have given XU by D 0.87 Fi AST. Instead of AST1 there AST is there 0.36 FCKB into D. So here if you want to calculate XU limit 0.87 Fi AST1, so this is important, AST1 0.36 FCK into B. XU limit is calculated in the previous step itself. So you can observe here XU maximum or XU limit is equal to 0.46 times of D, that is 460. It comes around 211.6 mm. So therefore, so this is right. 211.6 XU limit 0.87, Fi is 500, AST1 is unknown, we have to calculate 0.36, FCK is 20, B is 300. Use your calculator and calculate AST1. It comes around 1050.70 mm square. So in the previous session, in the offline class, I told you about this relationship. AST is equal to, there is a total AST provided in tension phase is equal to area of reinforcement provided for tension alone and area of reinforcement provided for compression at tension phase. In tension phase ಅಲ್ಲಿ AST1 AST2 ಎರಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು AST ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎರಡನ್ನು 1050.7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6660 666.61 ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 666.61 mm². ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 6 ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1717.31 mm². Adopt any diameter, it may not be 20, so you can take you can adopt any number of bars, no problem. So adopt any diameter. So usually we will adopt from it starts from 12, and then sometimes we can adopt 14 and 16, and next 20 mm, 22, 25, 32. So these are the reinforcement will be provided. So these in mm. So longitudinal bars will be from 12 to 32 mm, maybe up to extended up to 50 mm. So these are the diameters available in the market. You adopt any value. Here I adopted 20 mm as the diameter. If you adopt 20 mm, then total AST will be 1717. So this will be the formula, small AST. So number of bars will be ash is equal to AST divided by small AST. AST, capital AST is 1717.31 divided by pi into 20 square divided by 4. So calculate this, you will get a value 5.46. Round off to next higher number, it will be 6. So therefore ash means number. 6 numbers of dia 20 mm is provided tension phase. Or if you adopt 25 mm bars, number of bars will be calculated like this: 1717 divided by nothing but same capital AST divided by small AST. You will get 3.49 to be 4. So 4 numbers of dia 25 mm. So these reinforcements and the whole section is shown like this. So this is a cross section. You have to write like this: cross section of the beam. So at the bottom 4 numbers of 25 mm dia is provided tension phase, and 2 numbers of dia 22 is provided at the compression phase. Total depth of the section is 500 mm and effective depth is 460 mm. Width of the section is 250 mm. So this is sufficient. So this is about how to solve a doubly reinforced section. And one more thing, I will tell you about scheme of valuation. Just a minute, hold on. Sorry for the inconvenience, somewhere missing out. Okay, fine. So if you calculate this, it will be for 1 mark for calculating D, and then to calculate mu, so we'll get another mark, and for this formula it will be for 1 mark, and for value it will be 1, and next for this formula you will get another 1 mark, and for the calculation you will get another 1 mark, and for this condition it should not be greater than 0.875, and you will write the value. So this will be for 1 mark, and if you calculate XU maximum, this will be 1 mark, and then AC. So this will be, normally we will give 2 marks. So just count down: 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, if you calculate this value, so you will get another 1 mark, and for this formula you will get 1. For this calculation it will be 1, and then how many? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and for this formula it will be 1, 12, 13, calculate AST2. Okay, this will be 2, and for sketch you will get another 2 marks. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, so this will be 1. 5 6 1 mark. So these are the scheme of valuation will be. So please write all the steps one by one if you want full marks. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನನಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.